Hello beautiful people, you're super welcome back to my channel, the Elegant Natural Beauty and Fabulous Beauty channel. If you're new, welcome, and if you are super welcome. Alright guys, please check below, you see the subscribe button, click on the subscribe button and subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to turn on your notification bell so that you'll be the first to get notified anytime I upload a new video. So guys, on today's video I'm going to be showing you how to wax your skin, how to remove unwanted hair from any part of your body. Alright guys, and this is going to be a special waxing because I'm going to add turmeric powder to it. I'm sure you guys all know the benefits of turmeric powder. Alright guys, so let's jump right into this video. Alright beautiful people, so in today's video I'm going to be showing you a hair removal method that is beneficial for all skin type. Alright guys, this is painless hair removal. You know, most times shaving exposes your skin to possible irritation. With waxing, your skin is rarely irritated. The method employs to use is skin-friendly solutions, and I'm going to be showing you all the ingredients on this video. Alright guys, so I will encourage you to watch this video to the very end and learn this hair removal method, and I'm sure you're gonna love it. Waxing has so many benefits. With waxing, you rarely feel itchy. In addition to being painful, shaving is itchy to a majority of individuals. With waxing, the skin does not feel itchy. This is because of a slow hair growth process, contrary to the rampant growth process of shaving. What I love most about waxing is your hair gets to grow slowly and finely. In the long run, this results in a smooth skin. Everyone wants a fine looking skin. Most importantly, with this method, you don't have to shave every now and then. Alright guys, so I can't wait to heat it on fire. Alright guys, so I'm heating it now on fire. You can see I added a little bit of turmeric powder. Just a pinch of turmeric powder will be okay. So you're gonna allow it turn coffee brown, but the turmeric won't let it turn coffee browns, but you can see it's a little bit thick. So I'm just gonna go ahead and apply it on my face. You can apply this on any part of your body you want to remove hair on, but I'm just gonna apply this on my face to remove the little hair on my face and also to smoothen my face afterwards because of the effect of the turmeric powder. Alright guys, so you can go ahead and apply it on any part of your body you want to remove hair from. And also I'm going to be showing you another way. You know, this one is a little bit light, so I'm just gonna, if you want it to be a little thick, you allow it stay a little more on fire so that it can get thicker. So you just place it on the place you want to remove the hair and then pull it off immediately. This particular wax containing turmeric will help cure acne, fade acne scars, and also serve as a facelift. Alright guys, so this is not limited to just the face. This is a hair removal method. You can use it to remove hair in any part of your body. Alright guys, so I'm using my face for illustration, but that doesn't mean it's only a facial hair removal. You can use it to remove hair in any part of your body. Alright guys, so sit back and watch the other method, still on Brazilian waxing. Alright guys, so there are two ways to eat. If you want it this way, you're going to allow it thicken a little bit, stay a little bit longer on fire before using it directly on your skin to remove the hair. So you're going to place it on your skin and pull the hair. Alright beautiful people, hope you enjoyed the video. Hope the video was helpful. Please, if this video was helpful, consider subscribing. See you on my next video. Stay tuned. Bye.